Clearance. Turn on.
Hey, what's up everybody? Shannon from Warthog Overland. And I have a treat here that's going to be going on Thunderbolt. I have some NOVSIGHT pod lights. Got these. They reached out to me, asked me if I'd give them a try. I said, sure, why not? No problem. So let's take a look at these.
For all you Amazon Prime fanatics, these are available. And they don't show up in a brown box with lights wrapped in bubble wrap. Comes with an installation manual. Lights are well displayed. The covers are nicely wrapped, no scratches. Let's take a look and see what we got. Kind of reminds me of Minion glasses. But hey, what's wrong with Minions? The daily driver covers. Those are kind of cool looking. The covers do come on and off pretty easily. Kind of anxious to see how these ambers work. They look a little orange, but we'll see. Mounting screws. It's nice to see there's not a lot of them. They don't look too cheap either. Let's see this wiring harness. Nice harness, shielded wiring. Nice and simple. Easy switch. Waterproof connections. All right, let's get these installed. NOVSIGHT. It's a combination of two words, novo and sight, which means innovation in Latin. NOVSIGHT is a company that's dedicated to professional LED lighting equipment and off-road products, and they are based out of Sacramento, California. These lights are a 4.5-inch pod using a premium high-power chip. The LED power is equal to 36 watts at 4,000 lumens. The housing is made of aluminum with an oversized heatsink. These pods are certified by the J581 regulations and also have black visors to cover them and make them legal. The yellow face cover is used for fog, snow, or if you're just like an amber light fan like I am. They offer a 45-day return policy, no questions asked, and they carry a 5-year warranty. With my son's help, it was time to get these installed. I was looking pretty forward to this. I was not looking forward to how much work it's probably going to be. These are replacement lights. And the amount of work I did on the original install to make sure all the wiring was clean, hidden, goes through the pillar panels. I was a little nervous that everything had to come off because of how I installed it originally. But we were pretty lucky. The plugs on these lights, they match the plugs that I currently have. So I did not have to rewire everything in the engine compartment. Now this would have been much quicker and easier if I didn't have the existing lights. But it ended up being very quick since the wiring was already done. My Gladiator did come with the auxiliary switch package, and I also have an aftermarket switch pod. If I didn't have those, these lights are not that difficult to wire up. The wiring harness is simple. Positive goes to the battery, negative goes to a ground. To wire up the switch, JLs and JTs, if you have an automatic, you can use the existing grommet in the firewall where your clutch pedal would go through. It's to the left of the brake pedal, or in the engine compartment, it's just under the brake booster to the right of it. You can feed the switch wire right through it. Quick and easy install. I really like the look of these. I love the low profile mounting brackets. A lot of the lights out there, they kind of stick up pretty high, almost like you have a light pod on a selfie stick. These ones, they sit pretty low and clean. I really like the black covers, and I like the logo on them. I think I'm going to keep the covers on, unless I need to use them. All right, well, now it's time to watch the clock, wait for dark. Let's see what these things look like. After some quick adjustments, I know I got to tweak them a little more, but I wanted to see how these things did. Now, I do mostly trail in the woods, so I don't really need $500+ lights. I understand if you're in the desert or racing around in the dunes, but in the woods, you can only see as far as the tree in front of you. I'm really impressed with these. They actually overpower my 6-inch ambers. I do have them on the same switch. I might have to come up with an alternative, but for now I think I'll leave them like they are. And I really like these. Click my affiliate link in the description. You can get 25% off on these, which is a heck of a deal for how good these lights are. My name is Shannon. Thanks for watching. This is Warthog Overland.